Good morning, student. Today's our topic is quadratic equation. Now, first we will understand what is quadratic equation. And in today's lecture, we are going to cover this point: definition, standard form of quadratic equation, values of ABC, and roots of equation. To start actual chapter, we will do some revision. This equation is given 3m plus 5. This is second equation. This is third. This type of equation you have already studied in your previous standard. That equation is known as linear equation. You have studied this. Now what is linear equation? Last year you have studied. The equation in which highest power of variable is 1. The equation in which highest power of variable is 1 is known as linear equation. On same basis, we will define quadratic equation. Now, what is quadratic equation? The equation in which highest power of variable is 2. Highest power will be 2. That equation is known as quadratic equation. Now, we will try to find out highest power of variable in this terms. Now, here variable is m. Power of m. Power. जब कुछ भी नहीं होगा हम एज्यूम करेंगे 1 है. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. So this is known as linear equation. Highest power is 1. Look at this sir. यहाँ पे x का पावर कितना है? 1. यहाँ पे कितना है? 2. यहाँ पे x का पावर कितना है? 3. So highest number कौन सा हुआ? 3. So can I say in this equation highest power of variable is 3. So right here. यहाँ पे highest power कितना था? 3. यहाँ पे highest power कितना है? 1. Now what about this? यहाँ पे m कुछ नहीं मतलब कितना है? 1. यहाँ पे कितना है? 2. So what is highest? 2. Now we'll revise once again definition of quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? The equation in which highest power of variable is 2. That equation is known as quadratic equation. इसमें कितना पावर है? 1. This is 2. This is 3. हमें कितना पावर चाहिए? 2. So this is known as my quadratic equation. Is this easy? So forget about these two equations. Only focus on this, in which your highest power will be 2. That equation is known as quadratic equation. Now what is? This is my definition. Now second is standard form. Now standard form of quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Means all my numbers should be on left hand side and that should be equal to what? 0. अगर मुझे quadratic equation चाहिए, so there are two conditions. Now first condition हमने अभी पढ़ा, क्या था हमारा first condition? Highest power कितना चाहिए? 2. And second condition, this a should not equal to 0. अगर a 0 होता है तो क्या हो जाएगा? We will see. Now suppose I substitute a 0 here. So 0 into anything will give you 0. So what is my equation? ये equation क्या बचेगा मेरे पास? bx plus c. Now इसमें highest power x का कितना है? 1. मुझे कितना चाहिए था? 2. तो मिला ही नहीं. So is this quadratic equation? No. So to remain any equation to be quadratic, you have to satisfy two conditions. First condition, highest power should be 2. And second, a should not be equal to 0. अभी आप में से कोई बच्चे मुझे पूछेंगे स्टूडेंट, सर अगर b 0 हुआ तो ओके विल ट्राई. अगर b 0 हुआ सो विल ट्राई कि क्या हो सकता है. ठीक है. नाउ ये मेरा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म था. अगर b 0 है सो 0 इंटू एक्स विल गिव यू 0. तो बचेगा क्या? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी. नाउ व्हाट इज हाईएस्ट पावर हियर? 2. ठीक है, पावर 2 है. सो दिस इज माय व्हाट? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Getting this? Now we will see how to find values of ABC from quadratic equation. Okay. Now next question is write equation in standard form and find values of ABC. So we'll once again revise. What is my standard form of equation? Is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So before bringing an equation in standard form, you have to simplify this equation and bring that equation in its simplest form. For example, Now p into this bracket A, so multiply this by 3. So 3 into p is 3p. Now this into this will give you 6p into p will give you 6p square is equal to minus 5. Now what is my rule? To bring all terms on left hand side, and first term should be of square. So I'll just readjust. So this will give me 6p square, this will give me 3p, और ये minus 5 है, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा आपके plus 5 is equal to what? 0. Now what is my standard form यहाँ पे? ax square plus bx plus c. But this standard form is applicable when your variable is x. Now look at this equation. Your variable is what? P. So now you, instead of x, you write here p. So comparing with, किसके साथ कंपेयर करोगे आप? Comparing with what? A p square instead of x. Your variable is p. So ap square plus what? bp plus c is equal to 0. V get क्या मिलेगा आपको? A. Now what is A? Coefficient of square term. Coefficient of square term is known as A. Compare. यहाँ पे square term p square है, उसका coefficient is 6. And now what is B? Coefficient of P. Coefficient of P कितना है यहाँ पे? 3. So B is equal to 3. Only constant is known as C. So C is equal to what? 5. So this is known as standard form of equation, and these are values of A, B, C. We will try more two sums. Look at this sum. What is my first step? Bring all number on left hand side. So this will give me x square minus 9. ये प्लस 13 है, यहाँ पे आके कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस 13. यहाँ पे बचा कितना? 0. So x square as it is. Now minus 9 minus 13. Addition कर लो. That will give you minus 22 is equal to 0. Now to bring equation standard form, look at this. How many terms we required? 3. How many terms we have here? 2. कौन सा term missing है? जो भी term missing होगा, you have to introduce with the help of 0. Now look at this. Square वाला term है, yes boss square वाला है, तो x square लिख दिया मैंने. Next term मुझे कौन सा चाहिए? x वाला है क्या यहाँ पे? x वाला नहीं, so we'll add 0x. Now last में मुझे चाहिए c constant. Yes, it is available. So 3 terms are there. So this is my standard form. Now I will tell you orally. In the exam you write all this. Now comparing with this, यहाँ पे x है, तो standard form क्या आएगा? ax square plus bx plus c. What you will get? Therefore you will get. चलो, what is a? हमने पढ़ा था. What is a? Coefficient of x square. x square के साथ कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब क्या होगा? 1. So a is equal to 1. What is b? जो x के साथ होगा. यहाँ पे x के साथ बॉस कितना है? 0. So b कितना है मेरा? 0. What is c? Constant number. So c is equal to minus 22. So this is my standard form, and this is values of a, b, c. But exam, आपको exam में क्या लिखना है? Comparing with. Okay. Now one more sir. To solve this equation, what is my first step? To bring equation in its simplest form. Now simplest form में लाना है. ये x स्क्वायर का हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. 5x as it is. Now ये ब्रैकेट है और ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन है. अब क्या करना है? माइनस है, सो सारे साइन अंदर के क्या हो जाएंगे? चेंज. नाउ ये प्लस 3 है, बाहर आके कितना होगा? ये माइनस 3. ये माइनस 6 है, बाहर आके कितना होगा? प्लस 6. ठीक है ना? माइनस था, तो हमें पता है माइनस से साइन सारे क्या हो जाते हैं? चेंज. ना हमारा सेकेंड रूल क्या था? सारे टर्म्स हमें एक तरफ लाने. तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x. ये प्लस x था, यहाँ पे आके कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस x. ये माइनस 3 था, यहाँ पे आके कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस 3. एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज. नाउ कलेक्ट करेंगे राइट टर्म्स. ये हमने 9 साइड में पढ़ा है. नाउ 5x माइनस x विल गिव यू व्हाट? 4x प्लस 3. नाउ इज दिस इक्वेशन इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? कितने टर्म्स चाहिए हमें? 3. काउंट कर लो. 1 2 3. 3 टर्म तो हो गए. ना स्क्वायर वाला टर्म भी है, एक्स वाला भी है, कांस्टेंट भी है. सो जस्ट यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे आप? बोलो बोलो क्या लिखोगे? सिंपल है. कंपेयरिंग विथ व्हाट? अभी यहाँ पे वेरिएबल x है, सो कंपेयरिंग विद व्हाट, ax square plus bx plus c. So what do you get? Therefore a is equal to, what is my a? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square कितना मिलेगा मुझे यहाँ पे 1, b कितना मिलेगा 4 और c कितना मिलेगा 3. Is this okay? समझ में आ रही है बात? Okay, now we have to practice more sum based on this.